Discover the top-rated desktop repair service in Bonita Springs. We bring convenience to your doorstep, whether at home or office. Call us at 239-421-8187 or visit BonitaSpringsDesktopRepairService.com. Is your desktop acting up with slow performance, crashing programs, or hardware issues? Don't worry, we've got you covered with expert solutions tailored to your needs. Choose us for reliable service, affordable pricing, and on-site convenience. Our expert technicians are dedicated to providing top-notch desktop repair services, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. We offer a wide range of services including hardware replacement, software troubleshooting, virus removal, data recovery, and system upgrades. Whatever your desktop needs, we have the expertise to handle it. Enjoy hassle-free service in the comfort of your home or office. We proudly serve the Bonita Springs community, ensuring your desktop is up and running smoothly. Our pricing is transparent and affordable. Request your Bonita Springs desktop repair service quote today and experience our commitment to cost-effective solutions. Get back to work or play faster with our efficient repair solutions. We prioritize quick turnaround times to minimize your downtime. Our certified professionals are dedicated to solving your desktop issues. Trust us to be your reliable desktop repair partner in Bonita Springs, Florida. Call now for fast, reliable repairs.